Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're thinking about embarking on a solo adventure, you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing 10 essential tips for solo travelers to ensure you have an amazing and safe journey. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, plan ahead. While spontaneous trips are fun, having a rough itinerary helps you stay organized and make the most of your trip. Research your destination, book accommodations in advance, and know the must-see spots. Having a plan doesn't mean you can't be flexible, but it's always good to know where you're heading and where you'll be staying, especially on your first solo trip. Tip number 2, stay connected. Always have a way to communicate with friends or family back home. Share your itinerary with them and check in regularly. Apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or even social media can help you stay in touch. It's not just for your safety, but also to share your amazing experiences with loved ones. So remember these tips, and you'll be well on your way to having a fantastic solo adventure. Stay tuned for more tips and happy travels. Tip number 3, pack light. You'll be the one carrying your bags, so make sure they're manageable. Stick to the essentials and versatile clothing that you can mix and match. A good rule of thumb is to pack what you think you need, then take out half. Trust me, you'll appreciate the lighter load. Tip number 4, stay safe. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in unfamiliar places. Keep copies of important documents like your passport and travel insurance. Use a money belt or a hidden pouch to keep your valuables safe. And remember, if something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and move to a safer place. Tip number 5, learn basic phrases of the local language. Even a few words can go a long way in connecting with locals and navigating daily situations. Simple phrases like hello, thank you, and help can be incredibly useful and appreciated by the locals. Tip number 6, join group activities. Whether it's a city tour, cooking class, or hiking group, joining activities can help you meet new people and enhance your travel experience. It's a great way to make friends and get insider tips from locals or other travelers. Tip number 7, stay in social accommodations like hostels or guest houses. These places often have communal areas where you can meet other travelers. Many hostels also organize events and outings, making it easier to connect with fellow solo travelers. Tip number 8, embrace local cuisine. Eating alone can be daunting, but it's a great opportunity to try new foods and experience the culture. Don't be afraid to eat at street markets or local restaurants. Solo dining can be an enjoyable and immersive experience. Tip number 9, keep an open mind. Be open to new experiences, people, and cultures. Traveling solo is a chance to step out of your comfort zone and grow. Embrace the unexpected and be willing to adapt to new situations. This mindset will enrich your travel experience. Tip number 10, enjoy your own company. One of the best parts of solo travel is spending time with yourself. Use this time for self-reflection, reading, or just enjoying the scenery. Remember, solo travel is about your journey and your experiences. Cherish the moments of solitude and enjoy your adventure. So there you have it, 10 essential tips for solo travelers. Traveling alone can be an incredible experience, full of personal growth and unforgettable memories. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels, everyone! Happy solo adventuring! See you in the next video.